Hi, my name is Michael,
And my name is Michelle.
and today we'll be presenting our Tools Mastery project, our dorm room sign.
For our sign, we created 3 outputs, one for each color LED. Given that our audience is other dorm mates, we wanted our sign to convey whether the person in the dorm is free to talk or hang out. When the green light is on, it means that the person is available to talk in the room. Yellow means the person is studying or busy in the room, so visitors should knock. Finally, red means that the person is asleep, so visitors should not disturb. The light can be changed by pressing the button on the back.
Why is the button on the back, you might ask? Well, this is because we don't want random visitors tampering with the sign. Presumably, only the person living in the dorm should be able to control the button, and keeping it in the back is intended to fulfill this purpose. In the back, we also have the Arduino, the breadboard, the connection wires, and the battery providing power to the circuit.
To create our sign, we first went through some Arduino tutorials to learn a bit about how it works and some basic features. After reading through code for how to implement buttons and LEDs and how to place all the components in a circuit, we were able to program the Arduino so that each click of the button would toggle through the LEDs, going from red to yellow to green. After completing the code, we compiled it and uploaded it to the Arduino.
The next step involves creating the sign. Our design only had the LEDs as the components showing on the front of the sign, so most of our other electronic components stayed in their positions on the breadboard and the Arduino on the back. As for the LEDs, we had to move them from the breadboard to the front, so we had to solder wires onto each leg of the LED and connect them properly to the breadboard and Arduino. In order to accommodate all these components being put together, we also had to rotate the breadboard and Arduino so that the wiring would align with the LEDs efficiently and seamlessly. Finally, with one piece of cardboard, some electrical tape, and a few art supplies, we were able to put together the sign.
Our strategy for connecting the LEDs was to poke a small hole through the cardboard so that the head of the LED could fully show while maintaining the connection the legs had to the circuit. However, we still ran into some obstacles here. For instance, at one point in our testing, our solder for our green LED was not strong enough, causing the wire to detach. Thus, to ensure that the circuit was connected, we had to make sure the solder was sufficiently dry and that we used enough electrical tape to hold the connection down.
Despite some challenges we faced, I would say that we overall had a great time working on this project. We both loved how the project was multifaceted, but we both agreed that we liked the electronics part the best. A lot of the time, the purpose of a software or program is somewhat abstract and intangible, but in this project, we could actually see and witness the physical manifestation of the code we wrote through the LEDs and the display.
That wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.